Harshu here. Today I'm going to show you how to make egg bhurji. The ingredients we're using now are 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dhaniya powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now let's start the process of cooking. First off, we will be using 3 full spoons of oil. 1, 2, 3. Now that the oil is hot, we'll have to put the cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Put the curry leaves in and then very quickly put the lid on it. Now take the lid off and mix properly. Now we will open the eggs up, which are the main ingredients of the egg bhurji. We shall mix it up. Now we should add the water to the egg. We should add a little more. The stove is now on medium, so now we will also add the ginger garlic paste. Mix it well for where it gets to all the egg. Next is the turmeric powder. Now we should put the salt in. Now it's time for the chili powder. Now it's cilantro powder time. Mix properly and put the lid on, and then put the stove on low for 2 minutes. So now it's been 2 minutes, so we should take the lid off. It smells good. So now it looks like it's ready for one last thing. We should put the garam masala now. Mix it properly now. Now we can put the lid back on and off the stove. Now it is time to serve the egg bhurji. It is properly cooked, so we should put it in the serving bowl now. This is my favorite curry, so I'm going to taste it. It's one of the best things I've ever tasted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.